Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss on how to use the reporting feature in Helpdesk module. The Helpdesk module in Odoo 15 contains ticket analysis, SLA status analysis and customer rating option under the reporting menu. So we can have a look at each of these reporting options in detail. So first we can go to the ticket analysis. Odoo collect tickets from customers through various platforms such as website, live chat, phone calls, email, and many more. Such collected tickets will be managed with the help of the Odoo Helpdesk module. These tickets can be assigned to different helpdesk teams to solve before the deadline. The user can easily monitor and analyze the tickets from Ticket Analysis platform available under this reporting menu. So here we can see the graphical representation of the number of tickets with respect to the assigned teams. So different colors in the bar chart represent various stages of tickets. Apart from the count of ticket, we can set the measures as hours open, hours spent, hours to assign, hours to close and rating. And here we have the customizable features like filters, group by and the favorites. So here we can choose the line chart, pie chart, and also here we can see the option to sort it according to the descending and ascending way. The pivot view of the ticket analysis platform is seen here. So we can expand the table using the measures and group by option. So here we can choose the option. And if the user want to convert the data into a spreadsheet, the insert in spreadsheet button can be used. Here we have the flip axis, expand all, and also can see the option to download it. And finally, here we have the cohort view. It will help the user to analyze the tickets on a daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly basis. Now let's move on to the SLA status analysis. In the Helpdesk module, we can configure SLA policies to ticket that will help a company to define what needs to be done in order to solve the reported issues from customers. Odoo can assist you to generate reports about the ticket, helpdesk day, and many other factors in the Helpdesk module based on their SLA status. Analysis of SLAs will be useful to a company to get an exact idea about how the tickets are managed by the assigned team within the time limit. Based on generated report, you can effortlessly identify the areas that need improvement in the helpdesk management system in your company. So here we can see the pivot view of the SLA status analysis platform in this platform. So the user can add more details using the measures, filters and the group by options available here in this window. Here we have the graphical view for the SLA status analysis. Here also we can choose different measures, group by and the filtering options. And finally here we have the customer ratings. The customers can give ratings for the services that they receive from a company. Giving ratings to a service will be helpful for a company to easily understand whether the customer is happy or not. In Odoo, we can record and analyze the responses from customers, and the customer rating platform will give you an insight into the responses from various customers. So the campaign view of the platform shows each customer's response in separate tab. Apart from the campaign view, here we have the list view, pivot view, and also you can see the graph view here. So here in the list view, we can see the submitted date, assigned person, customer, helpdesk team, ticket, and also you can see the rating as OK and satisfied. So using the reporting feature in Odoo Helpdesk module, you can check the performance of employees in the field of customer service regularly and can take necessary actions accordingly. So we have been discussing on how to use the reporting feature in Helpdesk module. So that's all about the video. Thank you for watching.